Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Galazy Z Flip 6 phone. So this is how it came. So this is what the phone looks like. It's a flip phone, so you can actually fold it. And then it came with a clear casing. A clear case. This is the clear case to protect the phone. So I'll just show you. So this is for the back. This is the back. And then this is for the front. It also has the pin to open up where you have the SIM. It's a one SIM phone. However, it's a one SIM phone. However, it has an eSIM. So that is one thing that I like about the phone. So this is how the surface of the phone is. It has a clear screen, and when you close it up, this place is also visible. Then it came with a power cord, and depending on where you buy from, you can be given gifts. So this power bank came with it, as well as a TV. One unique thing about this phone is a brighter screen with enhanced camera system. And like I said before, it's a flip phone, so you can fold it. Isn't this lovely? So you can fold it. And like I was saying, it's a one SIM phone, but the uniqueness about this phone is that it uses an eSIM. So you can have an eSIM on the phone as well as a physical SIM on the phone. That way, that it means that you can actually use two SIMs on the phone. Now, if you are a beginner, okay, this is the screen. The screen is on. You can see the screen is on now. So it has a clear screen, and when you also open it, this is the inside. So if you want to, I'll just tell you about how to go about your eSIM. What you need to do is to go to your network provider. That is, for example, if you are using MTN. For example, I'm using MTN. What you do is to go to MTN office, and then they will give you a scan code. They will give you a QR code that you are going to scan to be able to activate the eSIM. Okay, and another unique feature about this phone is that it has Galazy AI features. So it has, you can see the smart switch, smart things, and then it has Gemini. Gemini is the AI assistant on the phone. Gemini. So you can actually ask Gemini anything and maybe to do anything for you. Also with this phone, you can also set it to recognize your voice. Okay, you can use your voice you can set it to recognize your voice, and you can give instructions, you know, to the phone using the Beats by. Okay, this is one app that can help you to save your voice. It will recognize your voice. Okay, so you can actually do that with the phone. And the phone has a brighter screen. You can see the screen is very bright. And then another feature with the phone is that when you are using the camera, when you are using the phone camera, there's a setting on the top of the camera whereby you can, once you are snapping the person will be seeing his or herself through the front screen. To snap, let's say I'm going to take a snapshot. There's this box here. Once I press it, whoever I'm snapping will be seeing his or herself on the screen. For example, you see right now you are seeing, as if you are seeing through the phone. You can see my finger. as if you are seeing through the phone. So that is one feature. You'll be seeing whatever you are snapping on the surface of the phone. So that is another feature about this phone. Wow, I'm in love with the phone already. So, and this screen also has a screen protector on it already, so you don't need to put in any additional protector. The screen already has it already has a screen protector. So you want to do well to take good care of the phone because it's magnetic. It can attract things, so do well to take care of it. So that is all about our Samsung Galazy Z Flip 6 phone. I just want to tell you about it.